In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade to black in Shotcut. This is a quick, beginner-friendly walkthrough, and by the end, you'll have a clean fade in at the start of your clip and a smooth fade out at the end. No complicated menus required. First, make sure you're working directly on your clip in the timeline. The entire trick happens right on the clip itself. To create a fade in, move your mouse to the top left corner of the clip. As you hover right at that corner, you'll see a small circular handle appear and pulse. That's Shotcut's visual cue for the fade control. Click and drag that handle to the right into the clip. As you drag further, you're lengthening the duration of the fade. Release when it feels right. This softens the start of your video by gradually lifting the image from black, giving your opening a polished cinematic feel. Now let's set up the fade out. Head to the top right corner of the same clip. Just like before, hover until the small circular handle appears. Click and drag it inward to the left. Again, the distance you drag controls how long the fade lasts. This will gently send your video to black at the end, which is perfect for a clean, professional finish or for transitioning to another scene. Go ahead and preview your work. Press play and watch the beginning and the end of the clip. If the fades feel too fast or too slow, simply grab the same handles and adjust them. Drag a little farther to extend the fade or closer to shorten it. If the handle doesn't appear at first, make sure your cursor is right at the top edge of the corner and give it a moment to pop in. You don't need to open any filters or panels for this. The fade controls are built directly into the clip corners for speed and simplicity. A quick recap. Top left corner for fade in, drag to the right. Top right corner for fade out, drag to the left. Play it back, tweak the length until it matches the mood of your edit, and you're done. It's that straightforward. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future Shotcut tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.